In this short video, I will show you how to use Google Translate. First, download the app on your phone. Open the app. Select the languages you want to use at the top of your screen. There are 133 languages to choose from. Tap Enter Text to type what you want to say. Here is a sample of English translated into Turkish and Turkish translated into English. Tap the microphone to speak what you want to say. Speak and press the microphone when you are done. Check the transcript to make sure it is accurate. To easily have a conversation, tap the conversation icon. Then tap the microphone under the language you want to speak. To instantly translate text, tap the camera and hover over the text. Tap the white button to listen to the text. Google Translate is not perfect, but it is a great tool to have. Subscribe to my channel to get my latest resources.